Menteri Katanat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary uba ALHEC haka kakandai tarik no opera, ula pli patba ya kajaka otdo kabalong katkum kajuk kabamenta, kabatip kum kabai species modern abattoir, kabadan hakashnong Demthring, West Giant Hills District. Ya kani kajaka otdo lasdang bantay ha snem arjar katsao da kajingarap pisa ka National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development NABARD, ha kajinglut kabahanyo point prapulai klur tingka, Hindray layo sanction kumbahanyo klur shipolak tingka, bat bala pentre da ka Chennai Abattoir PVT Ltd, bat rishan rapsang na shilong. Ha kani kasngi pli patba ladon lang UMLA kathan uba la kamen rumbui, bat MLA kajuai uba wailat miki shila, ki saheb sorkar, ki seng jong kinong otdo, kinong shong shnong, na lor kiwe de ki basyak khot ngobha. Uba ALHEC ha ka jingkren ulaong, watla kani ka jaka kadang don hapdeng ki jingduna, Hendreda ka jingetre lang bat jingkit kli jong baro, ki badan benta anla ban pentunun ya ka rukam trekam jong kani ka jaka. Ula kentu ya kinong otdo ban penne ya ka jingkut jing suba, bat ban pen itenat ya kani ka jaka, kenang bakan la ban kring ya kinong wan jongok kai, ban pet kai ya kani ka jaka.
Ban bentang si ke la poi se ke por, ya ka bangela ban pliro ya kani ka beta. Tambah dang ong diwe ne kinong otdo, presiden ya badang don ki jingduna hang ne entai. Pada dak oburu ye ki jingkli la da kadeka ebeto ka machine da kamla ban trekam ngila nam la ban program de traditional slaughter joki ki bajule man ka por. Hable abi kata mla ban penduk ya ka bab do sedang do mesi jong pai ba nang syong jong ri jan tia ke ri jawai ke jongi. Henry ke kerpang bani ka bangi pelong batang si ke long bangi kwa ban penlong operational ya ka ni ka jaka oddo. Ben pelong operational, ben pelong ke ba functional, ke ba biang natang sedong. Dak ke benta ben ai ke do ke ba bah, ben ai ke do ke ba khut, ben ai ke do ke long quality, ben ke long hygienic, dak benta ke jing penurkam, jing benta ben ka makin bam, kinong sedong jo ni ke sedong sini. Kata kali ke thong jong ka veterinary department ben mangikum inang sedong baro. Ipelong ye ka kum ke tourist spot. Kinwan ki beriu na bar kinwan man pekai ni ke jaka. Kum ke tourist destination, the tourist spot. La dem la ben pelong umta. Ben penit nat ke bagi tung bon ki setiu, ben tung bon ki ding, ben penit nat ni ke jaka, bagi ki jaka ki beri bon ada ngadu jaka. Ki ben lek sitei sipo dauki, ben lek sitei si amlaram meli siwe jaka, ki dewan mendarung juang ni ben pet, bagi ke jaka adok ni ke bukhut ki tenat, ben ke belong ruk ba jaka petkai. Kita ngi kuat na galiang jong veterinary department, na galiang jong government, Meghalaya government, ban sarkar ke jungi, ban wara ke jaka ban long ke jaka ke bitanan harbau state Meghalaya ke jungi. Narang imsim ke jingit clear lang, narang imsim lang kum gade ke jonga, nginum la ban ya penit ya chikamat ya gani ka jing trekam ke jungi. Jadi ada daw dan kam ban sim ke jingit clear. Ke responsibility ke jungi. Kaba mangi kita laga jong ke jingkit clear kita laga jong ke duty kita laga jong responsibility ban peniat ban penjelun dia kan kam kena menwara ke jing bah kam ta menwara ke jing bah ke bah ke bakut bawang hygienic equality nak benda ke jing kam jing dong song.
Sir, I'll quickly brief you, sir, what is the idea behind the whole thing. We have the animal to come in this way. We restrain the animal first. Then we give an electric shock. When the animal is immobilized, temporarily anesthesia. If you leave it, it will come back to normalcy. We give an electric shock. We bring it down here. Here we do the exsanguination, cutting and bleeding. The blood is also collected. For making blood sausages, it will be collected. Then we put it on a hoist and take it on the overhead conveyor. So afterwards, it doesn't touch the floor. Rest of the activity is on the conveyor till the end. So we divide the whole slaughterhouse into clean and unclean operations. So one half is clean. That end is the clean. This is the unclean. And similarly, all the internal things that will go to the unclean section where it will be processed and cleaned. So this side, left side. So we remove the unclean things, take it away. So this place would be for the head, the trotters, the skin, everything will go in different directions. It is like one car coming and becoming different parts. No, the opposite of an assembly, no? We disassemble. The whole animal comes, we take it into different parts and clean it and bring it all for delivery at the end.
So for 1 year, how long it will take the time?
Normally, next to next, an animal takes 6 minutes. Normally, you know.
For all the process?
All the process will take 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
But this will take only 6 minutes for the next animal to come in. And the 20 minutes also will come down when more people are skilled in handling this.
So it will be a continuous process?
Yes, this is a continuous process. And we don't have to teach them to swim. They're all, you know, like fish. So we don't have to teach them to swim. We have to only make them understand how to use it to make it faster and more efficient. That's all.
This is almost same thing. That side is maybe
This is for the
cattle.
The difference between the cattle and the pig is there the skin is removed. So here this is more like chicken, you know. It is taken with the skin because skin forms part of the meat. So here we have a little different type of handling. This we call it as live animal conveyor. We bring the animal on the live conveyor. It is restricted, so we call it as a restrainer also. So the leg will be hanging and it will be caught there. When it reaches here, we'll give an electric shock. It will come down, the blood collection, we will do it here. And then we will send it for scalding tank. The scalding tank will maintain around 68 to 70 degrees temperature so that the hair is removed. In 1 minute, less than a minute, half a minute or 1 minute, the black pig becomes white pig.
So that was the main concern of the...
Yeah, see, that day when we did only one animal. Actually, the full load will be 4 or 5 animals coming quickly. So we have to keep it more hot to compensate for the animals. Each animal, the temperature will go down.
What will be the duration here to complete the process?
Yeah, but for that we need to train ourselves to get that fine,
fine tuning.
half a minute, 15 seconds is important because pork will very quickly cook itself. So we have to remove it from that, and then there we have the cold water pouring on it. It will cool it down again. And then when all the hair is removed, we are given additional provision which is unique here, not even in Myeong. This is unique because we have given for the traditional singeing. They have that stick-like thing because that adds the flavor. So the people love that flavor. Without that flavor, the pork is not full. No? So we changed it here, which is not there in Myeong. We brought it in, and we also gave another provision to heat the water from below by gas because electricity problems are there. So we have given additional provision. So this will be even more efficient than Myeong, I expect. So we improvised and made some changes. I expect things will be better.
Yeah, good. Yeah.
You just have to keep in mind the concern of the...
That is the most important thing because the market is prime, we take care of it.
Shua kani u Dr. WMW Kongwir, Deputy Director, Directorate AH and Veterinary Meghalaya Shillong, ulayathu bakani ka jaka oddo ka jingla jongka ban pendap ka longsan pho tali ki masi, bat shispa tali ki snyang ha ka shisngi, ka ba anle kat kum kitiar ka juk start menta. Ulayathu ru baka jingthmu ban bu ya kani ka jaka oddo kat kum ka juk menta, kalong ban yo ya ka do ka bakhuj bat ka basuba, ka balat na ka jingsniu ban die shakinong bam do ha ka than Giant Hills.
Da central scheme naka nawa loan house name area pathway khat khalai but kajing don kam ni ka project ka kata ka project ko chagani kalom kumba nyuk lo prakwai la ndeng yo ya sanction ko ma nyuk lo si phola ba nang ta ka dan bisa ka basa ngi dang le binyo so kumba nyuk phulai la tika de house name area khat baka sarkar Meghalaya kalau IT dia kan ikam bantrai dan ikam work order awai ni ke contractor kata kan consumption apa cenai apa tu buat kumjuru dari ba Rishan Lopsan Shillong. Bantai kan ni ka slaughter house, ani ka jaka do hang ni po Demthring. Baka capacity ma kalong sanpho na kamta ban at iki masi. Bat kumjuru sispatli na kamta kisnyan aga sismi. Baka jingtu ba jamani ka banbu ini project kalong balai badan kam banyo ya ka do ka bakhu bat ka basuba ban di hakinang bomdo agari ka than Hadien Hills. Hadien lo pendep yang ini project nakaliang juga department juga animal husbandry. Idon ke jingfong bangin list dari menyano kita ringkat bagi kita kinodo lagi kibuca association juga ni Hadien Hills. Buat kebalawan cakaman ini naka buca sen juga katu juga masih buat kumjuru nakaliang isnyang. Giladon ke jingnya pendep Pasal mungkin selang yang ni kam, pasal mungkin IT yang ni bagian operate bagi. Kadang dan kata kajian sign, ya ka MOU. Dengan try hagi kerja tayo, ni salah pendek yang ni, kajian pendek. Kerang bagan ni ka project kanyo ban sang no ham keluar. Hoi bala kalong ha kajian IT no segini ki nomado kita ke association. Ngai kajian project mi kadai jong department. Ringkat bagi department officer kila ni nang ni po Hadien Hills. Kram nginyo ya kata ka jingpet jingbiang aga pa pentrikam na kamta kan ni kasing auto. Ya kan ni project kanaya sakmat kandan ro ha jingpet jong SPD nya nang ni na po jawai bat kumjuru deiru gonpet na kamta ka jingbel kam ya ka jingkot jikya kata kata health protocol. Syua mengingat igis ya kita gijingri la kalong kasnyang la ni masih. Bat kumjuru Hadien maladet ya kajingat ya kado. Dei ban pet ban khimi. Lagi officer sampai veterinary, lagi doctors. Kenang ba kanumnon kanungano kajingi ya complain. Na kita kena momdo ha ka bai dei ba kani kajingot do ha kani jaka. Kung kajing betep kalong bawat na kaliang ka Government of India, na kaliang ka Animal Welfare Board of India. Kalau ni ya ka order, lani ka notification. Ka balai ba mdei mensia od kulma ya kita gido la kalong ya kini ki masih lani kisniang. Halaki jom iye kisem. Lani hakiru nanti haki sengke. Nrai deiman od ya kini hakum kani ke jaka kamu ke jaka do dari ka slaughter house. Dalam ni kani hukum naru snem arajar arhuai kata kalong balada ki bale persya kingan hakaan